Hey guys, so today we're going to play some Sonic Forces. Sonic Forces. I just got this game. So yeah, I'm just gonna move that. 9. I just got this game, so let's see how it is. My friend has this. Here, I'll put the volume down. Oh god, that's too much. Okay. So my friend has this game. Yeah, he basically has all the characters, basically. He's like, I'm upstairs right now, but here, I'll show you. Keep my iPad down. He's like, I don't know which house, like that house, what I'm showing you right now. So that's the house. So, yeah. And I'm sorry about the poster over there. I'm sorry if it's knocked down. I'll ask my dad to put that up. This loading's taking forever. Here, let me just do that. I was playing some Tap Titans earlier. I'm sorry if you hear the that noise, like something like that. I'm sorry if you hear that. It's just the chair, not me farting, farting. Well, I guess we can't play this. I'll just try maybe tomorrow. Let's play Super Cat Tales 2. I just started this. I got both of those games. Here, let's put this down. Okay. Whoa. I love dragons, by the way. So, that's cool. Whoa. Oh my god. Should I tap anything? No. This is actually super cool. Not gonna lie. Best time. Okay, I've tapped it. That huge flying ship crashed into the hill nearby. I better go have a look. Okay, tap left or right. Ooh. Walk into the wall to climb up. Whoa. Double tap left or right to hold one. I'm double tapping. Oh, come on. I'm double tapping. Here, look at this. Come on. Oh. Okay. Run into a cliff to jump. One second. I'm running into a cliff. Here, wait 1 second. Whew. how do you climb this? I guess hitting. Okay. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Finish line. This is pretty confusing. I mean, not confusing. Let's try making it to level 5. I'm gonna do more of these. So yeah. This is actually pretty cool. I may just make a playlist about this. I'm just gonna make a playlist. Yeah, a playlist time. You dummies. Who was in charge of the winding up the engine? Oh god. Oh, very well. Haha. The rest of the soldiers are approaching. Hey, I saw your ship crash. Do you need help? Oh god. Oh my god. Hey. Hey, wake up. Oh my god, you just punched him. Where am I? In the tin belly of a flying ship. We gotta get out of here, kiddo. You see anyone guarding us? It's all clear, yeah. Wow, thanks. I'm Alex. My name is Sergeant Mika blah blah. I can follow me. I don't. Wait, am I? Boom. Run into enemies, knock them out. But I gotta save. Okay. Oh, did you just see that? I'm gonna get you. But I'm kinda knocked out though. It told me to run into them. Can't get premium. Here, let's just do 2 things. 2 levels, or 2 or 3 levels, yeah. I'm just keep on tapping it. Run to enemies with Mickey Mouse to knock them out. Boom. I gotta jump, okay, I don't really care. Tap? Oh, sorry about that. My battery is pretty low. Since my battery is pretty low, I think we have to do only 2. Boom, knock them out. Wait. Jump? Well, not jump. Oh, go, go. Knock this guy out? I guess I have to knock that guy out. Whoa. Dang, more boxes to climb. Ain't really my specialty. Piece of cake, let me handle this. Ooh, knock that guy out. Knock that guy out. Wait for a sec, wait for a sec. Knock this guy out. Yes. Get out. Yes, yes. Ooh. Oh my. This is actually pretty epic. I'm in a tank. End of the line. What now? More tin shows are coming. Jump. Okay, I'm jumping. That's the guy who knocked him out. Well, I guess that's all for today. I'm sorry if we can only do 2. Next time, we'll do some more. So, yeah. Make sure to leave a like. Sorry about that. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell, and leave a comment below. Things again. So, yeah. And peace out.